Hi guys, my name is Chawagon Chung and today I'll be talking about a visual on Microsoft Power BI called Decomposition Tree. So what does this visual do on Power BI? So this visual creates uh, a diagram that is similar to tree diagram, which it spreads from one space into like other branches. So as you can see in this my on my screen is that like you can see that there's a line connecting to each of the branch uh, rectangle straight lines. uh, yeah, today I'll be talking about this, so don't worry, this is not difficult at all. So here we go. uh, Please give me a moment. Okay, so all you have to do is going to this little icon over here uh, that says decomposition tree. You click on it and you end up with this little template. Let's just say we're doing a hospitality industry and there's always a guest coming in and out from our hotel. And this visualization alone, it can be used to visualize the total revenue, occupancy, sales, expense, or even customers. But I'm going to show you only two demonstrations. So let's just say we're trying to find the uh, total of rooms sold. So first thing first, what you have to do is to uh, not total room sold. I mean, the average daily rate. So the average daily rate is basically you calculating by dividing the total revenue by the total of rooms sold to find the revenue generated per room. But fortunately, in this database, that we can get this information from extracting some workbook from Excel. Just click on here, and hopefully you might see it. But this is uh, the whole data I use. Um, Once you're done, you get these, and yeah, type area. You drag the first area onto analyze. Remember, the first thing that you're trying to find, you must always put in this analyze space. Once you're done, you're going to put the other following column as well, such as room type, uh, customer segment, distribution channel, and the month. So please give me a moment. Uh, and month. Once you're done, it just shows you the numbers of data you like to find. So this is a sum of area or average daily rate. If you put at the highest value, it's gonna show you the highest value on that category. So if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, uh, it just shows a valuable information for our business. So for example, in here, it shows that the sum of ADR mostly it comes from a segment who's corporate, meaning they operating in business, and the room type is most popular for is deluxe room, and they mostly comes from Agoda, and they mostly accumulated and most peak high seasons on December. And I'm going to create the other visualizations. I will take example. So let's just say this time I'm trying to find the net profit. So same mode. All we have to do is to uh sorry finding the total revenue. So all we have to do is to find the number of sales, put the analyze here, and followed by the other you guessed it, subcategories such as room types, uh, customer segment, and hmm, distribution channel. And okay, so once you're done, it should shows you these valuable data for us. Uh, okay, so this is a sum of sales. Most the room type is mostly comes from studio, and the studio is mostly sold on family, and comes from direct registrations and mostly peaked on July. So this is how you uses